was the time she said she did BBL.
Yeah.
You know, I want to see her do her thing. I love seeing people happy.
And he's only fine when he's filtered. Bleach skin, of course. That guy na black guy. Normal before na
Speechless.
he has gotten some money and he's trying to
cleaning
like
up
fix
better. But then I see his legs.
Chaka chaka ba.
Yes.
Now you are not. You say bring anybody. We gon drag her like generator. Bring her. Drag her. Now you are not dragging.
In fact, I will say it. You're not a man of your word. Your own is not even love now. She's saying that she's going for the money because I don't understand.
Yes, now.
No,
he's not here for my mouth to but
I tell people, I recommend that people should marry for love.
yeah.
Love will always keep the union together. However, if you decide
There's a clause.
if you decide to marry for money, please, by all means.
Hello. You're welcome to today's episode of our Naija podcast. And I am your host, Omogie Joy. And I have with me my co-host,
RukkyG.
And
Yul Edochie, baddest guy in the building.
I knew it.
Best voice in Africa.
Of course.
Sexiest man in Nigeria.
Hallelujah.
Most controversial.
That's
Amen.
so-
Most talked about.
Amen.
You didn't say hello, ha.
Aloha.
Whoa, it's a beautiful
How
day.
we doing?
We're doing great.
Fine.
How's your week?
We are doing great.
Our
Wonderful.
family.
Beautiful. We're doing
business.
great. Lovely. Who are we dragging today?
Hallelujah. Going straight to the dragon. Okay. So, today we'll start with Bobrisky. She, him. Him, her. I don't know. Shim. Okay. So, Shim posted a video of Shimman.
Shimman.
Him. Man. Okay, this English is getting confusing. But there's a video that him posted. Even in the video, there was a kiss. A wannabe kiss or a kiss to be. I don't know. I didn't see the kiss.
Okay.
Because the man literally even rose up his agbada for the kiss. And one comment said, and I quote, "This guy don't do pass waiting the prayer." Because Bobrisky's face looked like, eh? Like, the kiss was not part of the gist. Why you kissing?
So it was all scripted.
It definitely is. I'm wondering how much they paid the guy. And I think I went down on the page and I realized that there was a guy before that she did a photo shoot with too.
Okay.
The same cultural attire
Okay.
and everything.
Is it like an introduction or something? Because I felt like they were wearing the same thing. They were wearing the same clothes from what I saw. Bobrisky, God, I don't want to enter that. If I enter that guy now, the thing is,
Idris.
the thing is, I feel like Bobrisky is literally acting a script. Every day he wakes up to a script.
Okay.
I feel like at night he takes off all those things and he lies down in his bed and he's Idris once again and he goes, today don't end, tomorrow we go again. That's why I feel.
We move.
That's why I feel. So I think it's like his profession to come out and do all
Okay.
those things. That's what I feel.
Like that's what fetches him his money.
Yes, so it's like a profession for him. The way we wake up and go to work every day
Yeah.
is the way he wakes up and puts on those makeup and everything, which I feel like sometimes they are too much.
The
but
makeup is definitely too much.
too much. Like, where's
Yeah.
all those things? But like I said,
Okay.
it's like
Why do you think it's too much? Is it your makeup?
no, it's not my makeup. I just I don't even know how to
Is the
make
makeup
up.
affecting you?
I don't even know how to make up in the first place. But I feel like it's like I said, it's his profession and
Yeah,
that's what
yeah.
he does. So that's
Yeah.
what pays him, and he will keep doing
Yeah.
it as long as it pays him.
Do you know? Bobrisky na my paddy.
Hey, are you serious?
Na my paddy. Na my paddy.
That's why I shouted.
Okay, so those things, are they real?
I don't know.
But you're not.
How will I
I
do?
do like this.
No, I don't know. No, I don't go full hand for that side. But I'll be honest with you, na my person. Yeah, like na my person. Very, 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 very. Na my person. And
Is he a he or a shim or a cross dresser? Which one?
I don't know.
But now your
But
person.
yes, but you see, for me,
How do you address him?
I address her as a she, and I'll tell you why. I love to make people happy. if you come out and you say my name is no longer John, it's now Yul, I'll call you Yul. You come out tomorrow and say your name is no longer Yul, it's now Halima, I'll call you Halima, if that's what makes you happy. You understand? I don't have to try to tell you, you are not Halima, you are John. No.
But
what will I gain?
Address him as she.
She. Believe me, because that's what she wants.
Yeah.
If she now comes out, if she comes out tomorrow and says, I'm no longer Bobrisky, I don't do again, I go address him. Anything that makes, now that one they make you happy, carry on.
Has he ever come out to say he's actually like
transgender?
Yes,
like
transgender. Because I know it's always like he's addressed as a cross-dresser, dresses like a girl, but not really necessarily.
He hasn't changed his genitals.
Yeah, I don't know if he has. I've not heard about that, but
I think that there was a time that she said she did.
We have cut. There was a cut. There was a time she said she did BBL. Yeah.
You know, and then I think she was away for some time. You know, I was one of those people who even wished a quick recovery. Because I want to see her do her thing. But I love seeing people happy. That's me. Just do your thing.
So beautiful.
But if he
let's address
Shim.
He or she.
If Shim did BBL, does that mean Shim did BBL and also still has kidney? Do you get? I don't know.
What is skinny?
The male, what makes you a man? What makes you? Does it mean that because I'm just picturing that.
Okay, you're asking whether it's still there.
I'm picturing that in my head, and it looks very crazy. Yeah, he can actually have big butts, and then.
I don't know.
The picture in my head is not
it's not nice.
No, not my person though. So.
So we're allowed to drag your person. We know the only two people that we cannot. drag.
No.
And
you can
drag if they.
No, I'm not going there.
I'm sure I'm not going to drag.
No.
I believe in loyalty. Bobrisky na my party. I do like say I know here.
Let me ask her.
Okay.
I really want to know.
Okay, what do you want to ask her?
I want to know if the bot is real or it's fake.
Okay.
And then if the manhood is still there.
Okay. No. Just stay tuned to our page. I love this country.
She wears some bodysuits that makes you wonder where they put it, but then it's a picture. It could be edited out or something. That's I think,
feels like
maybe you should wear a bodysuit and make a proper video and face front. So
yes,
let's
see.
Because
it's always
the
keeps side or the back. And I feel like all these things can actually be staged too. Even him going to Shim going to do the whole surgery, it could still be a staged.
It's all packaged,
It could still be staged.
Of course, it's possible.
That's what I feel because from the pictures they look fake. They look like something you wear. And something that you can take off.
Okay.
And those ones that you wear, they can shake. And they feel like normal bomb. Even the boobs, everything they feel like. And
he's only fine when he's filtered. Like because I've seen pictures of him. There's one picture he was wearing brown kaftan or something. Was it brown kaftan or something? He had it was unfiltered and he was looking very, very normal, very somehow. I don't want to say
from normal to somehow.
He was looking very somehow.
So maybe for my mouth.
For you waiting
speechless.
Now that you are expressing and you know him,
how does it look
without
like,
makeup
serious?
And without filter?
Looks good. Looks normal.
Clean skin, bleached skin.
Bleached skin, of course. That guy na black guy. Normal before na very.
Speechless.
He's black on a normal.
Yeah, according to the Idris pictures.
And the bleaching was very bad. I think it's now that he has gotten some money and he's trying to
clean
like
up better. But then I think I saw a recent video of the legs. His legs.
Chaka chaka ba?
Yes. Chaka chaka.
Now my party.
Once
you mention, call somebody when no be my party, I go drag the person.
Can you speak quiet?
Bring person will be my party. I believe in loyalty.
Just imagine.
Quiet.
In a show where we are going to drag everybody apart from your father and President Tinubu, you are now you are not.
You say bring anybody. We gon' drag her like generator. Bring her. Drag her. Now you are not dragging.
After all the talk, this is how do we say it now? In fact, I will say it. You're not a man of your word. Because if you're a man of your word, you'll be dragging this person right now. We already talked about something.
I believe in loyalty. Love has been in the air for this whole week. Love has been in the air.
See, switching of topic.
Love has been in the air.
Yes, a lot of people.
Including Bobrisky's love affair. Because he posted him and his love. And he kissed. Yes.
Okay, so love has been in
Love
the
has
air.
been in the air, right? Yeah, a lot of people. I saw a lot of things. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening?
Which one should we start? Okay, let's start with Mitchell. I think Igbo name is Ugochi.
Okay.
I don't know how you
And
her
husband. I don't know the husband's name actually.
I saw the husband's name. I can't remember.
Me too. I saw the
But
name,
he's
but I
a
can't
billionaire.
remember.
He's a billionaire.
That's
all that we need
Oh
to know.
my
He's
God.
he's a billionaire. That's enough.
But I've been into pageantry before, and
Okay.
even to MBG, and I think this last Miss Universe that she won was organized by the
She won
organizers
as
of
per Nigeria.
yes, Nigeria. No, she didn't win the international. It was organized by
Okay, she's actually the current
yes, Miss Universe.
Miss Universe, current one. Oh,
Miss
really?
Universe Nigeria.
Miss Universe
She
Nigeria.
didn't
Okay.
win the international, but
Congratulations
she's
to
the
her.
current- Yes,
Yeah,
definitely.
it's not easy.
Congratulations to her. Yeah. But I put a lot into it and everything because it's really not easy. All the dresses, the stuff. I don't know where they get their support from for if you win and then you have to go for the international.
Okay.
I don't know where they get their support from, but apparently maybe it's a man. She's billionaire. Or maybe it's the man that's so I don't.
But
I don't know.
But here's the thing. Here's the twist. I feel like she's doing well she did well for herself.
Yeah.
Because when people came out and a lot of talk was going on social media about her being 26 and marrying a billionaire who is 63 thereabouts.
Okay.
And people were like, is this the second Regina Daniels and all of those? Do you get and all of those things?
Why
And
would they
I'm
compare her
like,
to Regina?
it takes a woman who knows what she wants. Number one.
Okay.
It takes a woman who is bold enough, even if she's 26,
Yeah.
even if it's pageantry age
Yeah.
or not pageantry age.
Yeah.
Only a woman who knows what she wants and is bold enough to do something like that can do. Trust me, even the people that are sitting behind their keypads and are making if they had the opportunity,
Of course.
they would
Yes.
do it.
But then in this case, the man is not even married.
His wife is late. I
So
heard.
Oh,
yes,
really?
it's,
Okay,
he's very
okay.
single.
She's
I don't
late.
even see anything wrong with that.
oh.
He's
His
very
wife is
single.
late.
I saw their pictures, and I saw love in their eyes.
The videos are
I
so
think they-
cute. Like,
I
I
don't know,
literally rewatched
and
their
I
videos.
love
So
love. I
cute.
love to see people
Yeah,
in love.
it's beautiful.
I saw.
She doesn't seem like she's being forced or she's not comfortable.
No. He
she's,
actually said
she's-
they fell in love. He asked her. I think he said he asked her if she would marry a pastor.
Okay.
And she said yes. Why not? I think he said that was the test.
is a pastor.
Okay.
He's not a pastor.
Oh, okay.
He just used that as a test.
Oh,
and he
Oh,
was
okay.
And she said yes and all of that, and that was why he went ahead to toast her, and she agreed. I mean, why? If it's me, if I hear, why would I?
Okay, once billionaire toast you, go agree.
Your own is not even love now. She's saying that she's going for the money because I don't understand.
Yes, now.
Anyway,
No,
sis, yes,
he's not here for my mouth, though, but
You
You
go
just
hear
said
that.
it.
You see my own mouth.
Your husband will watch this. You just said it. You just said
My
it.
own mouth. You will hear a lot of things. I know they fear anybody. I tell people, I recommend that people should marry for love.
yeah.
I
Yeah.
say it because believe me, for me, I don't know about other people. Love is it's always the best reason to get married. It's the best reason because love will always keep the union together. Because nobody is perfect. Sometimes as you get older, as things happen, maybe if you married for money, the money may not be there at some point.
Yeah, true.
You people are going to piss each other off. That's
Definitely.
life. But love will always bring you together. Love will make you not to take certain decisions that you want to take. Love will always, make you make reasons for this person to do this and that. I tell people to marry for love. However, if you decide
There's a clause.
if you decide to marry for money,
Money.
please, by all means, marry. Now you get the marry. Nobody, no concern me.
In this
Uh-huh.
Nigeria now.
Deal with it.
Deal with it. If that's what you want, because we can't tell people what to do. We can only advise. Do like this. So if
Yeah.
you decide to do the one where you want to, no problem now.
choice.
But do you know that
yeah.
love fades?
Love fails.
Even
Fades.
if you marry
Yes,
for
yes,
love,
yes,
like
yes.
a lot of people marry for love, and years down the line they don't.
True. At some point, it fades.
It fades.
Yeah.
So most times they're like, okay, marry your friend. Really, because me, I will advise any.
Even if you marry your friend, friendship ends.
Friendship will not go end. Though.
Friendship, they end.
You know,
Sometimes that thing you married for, okay, for friendship. Sometimes, somewhere down the line, after so many years, you realize that you're not that close like
anymore.
you used to be. Whatever it was that was bringing people together, somehow you're apart.
So what
All of them,
what
they
do
end.
you do at that point?
I think, in my opinion, there is marry for love, there is marry your friend, but I think you should marry someone that makes a conscious effort to choose you every day.
So
Yeah.
is that your love or your friend?
That's all of them joined together.
Join
Because when
together.
love goes away, when friendship is not so strong, I still choose you.
Yeah.
And I'm making a conscious. I might not feel like calling my husband right now because we had an argument.
Yeah.
That's where conscious effort comes in.
Yeah.
I want to call him because I'm trying to patch. It might not be easy for the first 2, 3, 4 calls or whatever, but then we're back to normal. Like whatever happened didn't even happen.
But do you know that some people can actually be kind and nice?
Okay.
Like generally, this person is a nice person, this person is a kind person, but there's this compatibility issues they will have with their spouse
Yeah.
at the end of the day. But people outside will not know it, will not see it.
I always say something. I always say something because it's the truth. Two good people don't make a good relationship.
Okay.
Because you're a good person, I'm a good person, doesn't mean that we will be good
that
together.
we'll be good.
Okay.
Yes.
Eventually my little things could irritate you.
Okay.
We might not even be sexually attracted to each other.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
that's also important. There are other little things that might
Yeah.
not work. Because
Yeah.
you have a good heart and I have a good heart doesn't
Yeah.
mean that we're going to be good together. And that's not the basis for, oh, I met a church boy. He goes to church every day. He's going to be a good husband to me. That's it.
True.
No.
Yeah, true.
No.
True.
It doesn't work like that.
I also tell a lot of people, it's marriage is not a do or die thing. Okay,
It's
it could last all the way. It may end. There's even another part that people don't know. Sometimes some unions are made for certain children to come to this world, not really for people to be together till the end of the world.
That's
Believe me,
interesting.
yes. I'm telling you, some very great people have actually come from certain kind of unions that you look like, this shouldn't have been. I know a celebrity in Nigeria. Okay, I would love to mention his name, but I won't. But I know that it's somebody that everybody knows. He's actually a child from the 6th wife.
Oh, wow.
Yes, but he's a big star today. He's the one who's taking care of the family.
I think I know what you're talking about.
Taking care of everybody in the family, like children from the first wife, children from the second wife, everybody is dependent on him, and he's running it smoothly, making sure the whole family. You understand? Now you look at that union. A lot of people will feel like this is a union that shouldn't have taken place.
Yeah.
Maybe when the man was doing, whatever they were doing at that time, people would be like, "Oh no, why will you be doing?" You understand? But I mean, look at the child that was produced from. So I've realized that sometimes too, some unions, there are great children that need to, we're all spirits. The moment a child comes in, the spirit comes into it and it becomes, so there are spirits that need to come to this world through certain people. And sometimes when they come together and have those children, the relationship don't end though. Leave every other thing that they do. They won't even know. They'll be trying so hard. We must continue this thing. After a while, you see that fight every time. And I'll always tell people, rather than die, there was something I heard you say, rather than, die in this thing. Come on. Okay, you can.
She was considering the kids.
Yes.
For what were we talking about? We're talking about Nino.
Yeah.
You were feeling bad for the kids, and I was saying that they're quite grown, and I prefer if you were going to separate, I prefer you separate when your kids are quite grown and they can understand for themselves what's going on than when they're so little and anybody could poison their minds and then they will grow up with a lie.
Okay.
Then they'll have to start fixing when they're older and stuff like that. Because I feel like it's better that you're separated happily than to be together, considering the children and them giving them a home that is not happy.
It's true, because I've heard a lot of people say they were actually waiting for the kids to get to a certain age.
Okay, before they do their...
But the marriage had packed up a long time ago.
Yeah.
They were just still answering husband and wife.
Yeah.
There was no marriage again. So they were just waiting. I even heard a story of a woman who stayed, I think, for 20 years.
Wow.
She stayed in that marriage, gathered herself together, her kids grew up, and then she...
Before she could leave.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well,
but the marriage had packed up a long time ago.
It's not easy. Nino na my guy, yo.
Everybody's your guy. But I wanted to ask you a
And
question
it's
about...
good to see him happy. You know,
No, definitely. I like him.
I saw the video.
I like the girl.
I like her, actually.
I saw the video
I don't
of
know
him
how to pronounce her
and
name.
I mean we're colleagues and I wish them the very best.
I
I like her. Yes, I
I've
do. That's the
always
thing. I like her. Like,
yeah,
you know, when you
so-
I
don't like
love to see
somebody,
people
I like
happy.
her.
So whatever
I
happens...
don't know. I don't care. I'm telling
And I
you.
love
I
them.
really
Let them
don't
be
care.
happy.
I like Nino. I like her.
Let
so-
them be happy.
That's
you know,
all. Really.
men don't. Let me tell you. You know, pity works for women. Pity doesn't work for men. It's easy for a woman to come. Oh, what they do to me? Here? Everybody will start dashing you money. A man comes out. They'll tell you, my friend, come on,
get
my friend, go and you
Are you
know.
not a man?
Are you not a man? Do you understand? So most times men don't cry out. They bottle up a lot of things inside. They go just carry them, you know. They muscle the thing. They go. You don't know what the man is going
Yeah.
through.
Yeah.
You understand? So seeing him, believe me, seeing him, being happy, you know, I love it. Honestly, I love it.
And the other time they even separated, I think he came out and said it was his fault that he cheated on her and stuff.
Okay, with the wife.
With the first wife,
That's
the
Nino.
other wife, the ex-wife, yes. So, and now that he's coming out to just say he just wants to move on and they've tried, and
Yeah.
I feel like we should still take it the way we took the last one when he said, okay, they
You know one take
because of
him
him.
before it concern you.
No,
No
I'm just
take am
saying,
now.
like, I'm just saying, oh my
No
god,
take am
I'm
now.
just saying that people should learn to just accept what people say. As if you can take this, why are you not taking this one? That's what I'm trying to say. Like, why are you trying to be judgy on
Who
this?
cares?
And actually, most of the comments actually are really good ones.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if you say anything bad, they're coming for you.
Let me tell
People
you,
love
good
Nino,
comment,
and they
bad
love
comment,
them.
all
They
of
love
them
her.
good.
Yes, but I'm just saying, like in this situation, like you're not getting a lot of.
But me, the
Even this
ones-
Mitchell situation, they were thinking they were going to drag. Because the first caption I saw was very crazy. I don't know which blog posted it. Made it seem like it took out the love from the union.
Bad comment, nine they
Just-
make
it
people
just-
blow.
Nine, they make
It was
people
very
blow.
Bad comment, nine they make people
But
blow.
actually, that's what made me go to her page to check the gist.
Yeah.
When the comments are
And her
good, the
next
gist
post
will
was,
end. The
"I'm
gist
the
will end.
blind." The person, but I love all that outfits. They're so simple and they're so beautiful.
And
like,
then, and
no
then
too
she
much
got
drama.
she
So
got
simple.
a gift, a Range
A
Rover
car
from
from the man's family,
the
right?
man's family.
Wow, that's nice.
Which other?
But you
which
also
other
into
welcome?
pageantry, right?
Yes. So
You didn't catch any billionaire. what happened? Were you looking out or you didn't bother?
I was in Portugal. I was just living my life.
Now, do you wish you had?
I wish I had one.
I have a couple
Oh.
of billionaire friends. I can tell them
I
to look out. I can tell them to go and check you out. You know.
But coming to pageantry now, she's still a reigning queen. I don't know, maybe a contract is different, but I doubt all pageant contracts are always the same thing. She's not supposed to be married while still being a reigning queen.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh my
okay.
god.
Yes.
Is that how it
God,
works?
yeah, for a year. I think you're not supposed to have a child and you're not supposed to get married.
They are talking about billionaire. You are talking about contract. Please, if they keep
So you're
contract
saying
and
now
they
that
keep billionaire,
you are not trying to say that I bought the contract.
he trashed the contract.
Ah!
He moved.
There are levels to this thing.
There are levels.
Okay, but seriously though, is that how it works?
Yes.
While you're still a reigning queen, while you're
Yes.
reigning queen,
You're
you
not supposed
can't.
to get
Yes.
married.
You're not supposed to get
married.
Oh,
You're
really?
supposed to have a child.
Okay.
Because they believe, and actually it is true. You're getting married, that's a commitment. So if you're already committed to being the reigning queen
Yeah.
for like a year, which you're
Oh.
supposed to be attending events, being the face of the brand for a year, practically.
Okay.
You're not supposed to be
You're not supposed to be distracted
Have
with
some
a child or getting
Or
married.
getting married. Oh, really?
Yes. Afterwards, you are free. You're done with the crown. You're free to do whatever. So I'm surprised that she's getting married now while she's still a reigning queen.
But is it possible that you could actually pass your crown to the next?
Yes, you can actually.
So probably maybe that's what she
Well,
did.
we didn't. I don't know. I didn't go to their page, but I didn't hear anything about her passing a crown.
It's possible. Then.
Okay,
That's what
okay.
I didn't hear anything about her
Passed
passing a crown.
The crown, so she could have leverage
Freedom to get
do
married.
what she wants.
Okay.
Or maybe she just.
But either ways,
But
she's married to a
just enter
billionaire.
my mind.
What entered your mind?
Maybe maybe she's pregnant and they want to get married sharp before the belly will start showing.
See, sir.
Yeah, that's good. That's
now.
good news now. We'll
Yeah,
celebrate.
I'm just saying,
Which
definitely
is
it's
good
good
for
news.
her.
Oh, but of course, I'm just saying, like, maybe that's why they're not looking at the contract, except this particular contract does not involve
We will
this
know 9 months from now.
in 9 months' time.
We will
We
know
will come
if
visiting.
Okay, so people will keep
we'll
keep tabs.
yes, we'll
You'll keep
know.
tabs on her for the
We'll
next
know.
time.
Actually, that's true. I know you're giving tabs.
We'll know if that's
Yo,
what really
if this come
happened.
out that
Or, but I'm happy for her. Really.
Yeah,
Definitely.
I'm
yeah.
happy
She
for
looks
her.
happy.
Yeah.
They look happy. I love their videos.
Yeah.
I probably will go back and see what they sound. I love their videos. It's
I feel
beautiful.
like this was based on love, unlike.
Unlike
If you
who?
compare it to
Unlike
Regina
who?
and Ned,
Speak,
honestly
speak,
speaking,
speak.
true.
Unlike who?
our whole wedding
Regina,
process seems
unlike
like
Regina Daniels and
she seems
Ned.
happier now.
But now, I believe that Regina Daniels and Ned are
I think
actually in love.
I think she's just warming up to it. She has
Yes.
warmed up to it now. She has
Yes.
accepted and then tried to just live her best life
And
in the
I'm
situation.
proud of her.
Before,
Okay.
oh my God,
I'm proud of her.
I'm proud of her.
I'm
for me.
proud of her because, like,
Okay.
this lady has evolved over time.
Yeah,
You could actually
definitely.
see it.
Okay.
Having 2 kids, and her husband is now in the government.
Senator.
Yeah, he's a senator. So she needs to represent, and she's doing that really
Very
well.
well.
You
actually.
can see that from
She's
her
carrying,
dress
yeah.
sense. Like,
Okay.
there's this courage.
She's carrying
there's
it
this,
very well.
It's not the little Regina Daniels that we
Yeah.
used to know.
Okay.
You know, I'm proud of her.
Somebody was saying that and live with someone that's packaging her. I say it takes one thing for someone to package you, and another thing is for you to listen to who's packaging you, or
Okay.
else you will still come out and fool yourself.
I think
But she's deciding if somebody is actually packaging her,
I mean,
she's deciding to
she's-
listen to the
she's
person
doing
packaging her, and then
Okay.
she's representing herself out
She's
there
doing
very well.
really, really, I
She's very
love,
good.
I love the transformation, the involvement, and everything.
And now
I
she's
think
really
it's-
enjoying herself.
Yeah.
But I also saw love in their eyes too when they
Initially.
got married. You know.
Which love?
I see.
Mr. Yo,
See, I see. You see, I.
which guy love?
Problem is, I see what people don't see.
No.
That I'm gifted.
It's way different.
Okay.
You can't compare
see-
this. You can't
No,
compare
no,
this
no,
whole
no, no. I
chemistry
didn't
and
see
everything.
Why do you think so? Because of pictures taken? Because of
No,
people
I just-
dancing?
I just
No,
feel like
they could easily. But see, there is when somebody is. I don't know as an actor.
can't
I
fake
don't know the
it.
man as an
I
actor.
have I've seen people who getting married, dancing, looking into each other's eyes, so much connection. Few months after breakup, everybody goes.
Yes, it doesn't mean
I've
that they were not
seen
happy at
people-
that
Yes,
time.
it doesn't mean that they were not in
happy at that
love.
time.
It's possible they were even faking their happiness at that time.
But why would you fake something
But
like that?
why?
People do it.
Why?
People do it. You can't judge these things from things where they happen inside.
But
It's different from what
and on
people
this note,
get
I
to
feel
show.
like I thought about something before.
Yeah.
That the fact that this was everywhere, I feel like maybe because I don't think this girl is popular enough, or the husband is popular enough for
Who's that?
the Michelle, the beauty queen. I don't think she's popular enough, or her husband is popular enough for blogs to just carry their gist like that. So I feel like they wanted this to go out.
Okay.
I feel like they paid for it to go
I didn't
out.
even know him.
Exactly. Do you even know? Did you even know the girl?
I didn't know her.
That's what I'm saying.
That's the truth.
I knew her because I went for the pageant she went
Yeah,
for, and that's how I even
didn't
knew
know
her.
I didn't know her.
And I wasn't even following her.
Okay,
or
so
anything.
you're saying it's possible they put
Yes,
out.
I feel like they wanted
know,
this to be
they
out.
wanted
So
the whole,
from the area we are coming from, that people pretend to be happy in videos, and I'm like, they probably paid for this to be out. I'm not saying they are not genuinely happy,
I
Okay.
feel
but I'm
like
saying the
they
way it came
are.
out, they probably paid for it to be everywhere. and stuff.
Oh,
But the wedding was at, like, because we didn't know we didn't know him. Now we know him. Doesn't mean that a lot of people didn't know him. Like, highly placed,
but
of course,
apparently,
'cause the wedding
if you're
was
popular,
heavy.
you are popular.
The
I might not
reception
know
was
you, but I
heavy.
must have heard of you.
okay.
We didn't know Ned until
Okay.
Regina.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's both ways.
Yeah.
So they're both benefiting from each other. So it's not
Okay.
a one.
Before the man standing opposite us and will cut from rolling like this.
So
Let us end the show.
who wants a billionaire husband? Just let me know.
I want to be
Okay,
waking
I'll-
up to do NSPPD prayer, and I'll be going for sugar.
Yes.
So,
and
I'll link you up. I love to help people. I'll link you up. I'll link you up.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So at this point, we draw the curtains short on today's episode of our Naija podcast, and bye. I'm your girl Omogie Joy, and this is
RukkyG.
and
Yul Edochie,
wait for the
sexiest man,
landline.
sexiest man in
Of course.
Nigeria, best voice in the business, best voice in Africa, most controversial, most wanted.
God